So listen to this. A disagreement in court is now making headlines tonight. Sacramento County DA is accusing a judge of creating an illegal plea deal with a man accused of grabbing 5 different women.
But the question is it illegal? ABC 10's Garshpal Sangha explains.
An argument over a plea deal extending far beyond the courtroom after a Sacramento County judge offers a man accused of grabbing several women's behinds in the Natomas area.
After 5 incidents of him approaching 5 separate women, touching their buttocks.
The Sacramento County District Attorney's office says those incidents happened in parking lots in Natomas over a 2-month span beginning in last September. The DA's office says the man, Elijah Edwards, admitted to police to the crime, and he did it for sexual arousal.
The offenses that he was charged with, 5 counts of Penal Code Section 243.9, require sex offender registration.
Because of the plea deal Judge Allison Zavala offered under the deferred entry of judgment, the DA's office says he won't need to register as a sex offender.
The victims were denied an opportunity to make their voices heard in front of the judge.
The deferred entry of judgment allows a case to be dismissed if the person accused of the crime completes a program that includes education workshops and community service to help rehabilitate a person not to commit the crime again.
It's completely normal to hear about a deferred entry of judgment, resolution of a case.
Candace Fields is a criminal defense attorney in Sacramento and is not connected to this case. The DA's release called the plea deal illegal, but Fields says that is open for debate.
Defendants who are convicted of sexual battery are ineligible for deferred entry of judgment programs. However, this defendant will be entering a plea, and the judge will be exercising her inherent authority to supervise him. That may be different than a deferred entry of judgment program where he would be ineligible.
The DA's office says if Edwards completes the program and recommits, they will have to start over.
We're going to be denied the opportunity to use these offenses in the future.
If the defendant is convicted and not given that opportunity, he will have to register as a sex offender and he will not be employable. And this judge, I believe, felt that the science backs rehabilitation rather than penalty.
Okay, so Garshpal joins us now. And Garshpal, there are several questions surrounding this case. What is the Sacramento Superior Court saying now?
Yeah, so I did talk to the court officials and they tell me that they can't comment on active investigation, also active cases, but the DA's office says Edwards accepted the judge's deal. Now, the victims will be giving their impact statements on Monday, and that is when we could hear the final decision on this case.
I know we're going to be tracking it, so you keep us posted as you learn more on this one, Garshpal. Thank you.